case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court case, Mitchum v. Foster, unfolded in 1972, providing a captivating intersection of federal and state law and their inherent roles in shielding citizens' constitutional rights. At the center of this contemporary legal drama lay an innocuous Florida bookstore, entangled in a web of alleged violation of local nuisance ordinances, constitutional rights, and competent jurisdictions. The saga began in earnest when the Bay County, Florida prosecuting attorney launched legal proceedings in a local state court against the said bookstore, claiming it was a public nuisance. In response, the state court issued a preliminary order, abruptly halting bookstore operations. The appellant, dissatisfied with the state court's decision, took the fight to the United States District Court for the Northern District of Florida, alleging that state judicial and law enforcement officials' actions trampled on their First and 14th Amendment rights. Relying on Section 1983 of the Civil Rights Act, the appellant argued that the bookstore's operation cessation, justified by the state court under Florida laws, resulted in significant harm and an egregious violation of their constitutional rights. In a bid to overturn the state's court injunction, the appellant sought injunctive and declaratory relief from the federal court. After initially obtaining temporary restraining orders from a single federal judge, a 3-judge court was subsequently assembled. However, the new court wasted no time in dissolving the restraining orders, refusing to interfere with the state court proceedings. The federal judges held firm, arguing that the sought-after relief did not fit within the statutory exceptions that would make federal interference permissible. Undeterred and armed with newfound determination, the appellant took the fight to the upper echelons of the American judicial system, rallying the Supreme Court to review the case. The court's task was to grapple with the complicated dynamics of the Anti-Injunction Act, limiting federal intervention in state court proceedings, and Section 1983 of the Civil Rights Act, which entrusted federal courts with upholding individuals' constitutional rights against state actions. The Supreme Court held that the district court should reconsider the specifics of this case, particularly deciding if the circumstances warranted resorting to Section 1983, thus halting the state court proceedings in the name of protecting constitutional rights. In the end, the final act of this legal drama was returned to the district court for a fitting curtain call, a decision made more compelling in light of meticulous evaluation of both federal and state laws.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class